Hello everyone, so I have already washed and moisturized my face, and so I'm going to start by priming with the Too Faced Poreless Primer, and this just helps my foundation go on smooth and stay on all day. I am then going in with the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in Neutral, and I really love this foundation because it's so full coverage, but also stays on all day. So I then go in with the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in the color M27 Warm. And I love this concealer because it really covers up my dark circles without making my under eyes look so cakey. So I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm just setting my under eyes with the top middle color. It's the banana tone color, and it just helps to brighten my eyes and keep that makeup on all day. I am then setting the rest of my face with the top left color, and I then contour with the middle bottom color, and it's just a warm brown color, and I just go ahead and contour my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin a little bit. I'm just using a big blending brush for that because I don't want it to be very harsh. The next thing I use is the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop, and I just contour my cheekbones, my nose, and then a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And I was really feeling this highlight. It was just really popping today. I then go in with the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I use the color Flower Child, and I just put that all over my lid as kind of a transition color. And I'm just applying that color in windshield wiping motions into my crease and blending that down onto my eyelid. I then go in with the color Sweetheart, which is a warmer pink toned eyeshadow, and I'm just applying that into my crease as well. The next color I use is Rebel, and it's just a darker toned, warmish red color, and I apply that deep in my crease and on the outside of my eye, just using a fluffy brush. I then go in with the color Firecracker, which is just a glittery brown toned color, and I used a flat tipped brush to just apply that all over my eyelid. The last color I go in with is Charmer, and I use this to highlight my brow bone to just really make my eye pop. I then go in with Sweetheart again, just on a flat tipped brush on the bottom of my eye, just to blend that in and make the look a little more smoky. You just blend and blend and blend. I then apply mascara, and I use the Voluminous False Fiber Lashes, And I use the waterproof version just because it helps my eyelashes to stay curled all day and helps keep the mascara to last all day. And I just apply that by wiggling at the roots of my lashes and then up to the tips of my lashes. And since it's just a normal day, everyday makeup look, I'm not going to apply false lashes just because I like to save those for heavier looks and more dramatic looks. So I'm just applying that same mascara to the bottom eyelashes as well. I then comb out my eyebrows with this eyebrow brush just to help smooth the hairs and get them looking the way that I want them to. I then use the Sephora Color 5 Nude to Natural palette, and I fill in my eyebrows with a flat-tipped brush, and I just like to outline the edges of them with a darker color and then fill them in. After I'm all done with my eyebrows, I will just brush them through one more time to make them look a little more natural and less filled in. I am then going in with a MAC lipstick in Angel, and it's just a light pink color, which really helps to keep the look looking natural, but also adding a little more pop to my lips. So I just apply that all over, and that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye!